going on, boys? Today we're gonna do a TikTok hood trap special. We're gonna make a beat kind of like No Show by January's, produced by 444 Jet. I'll play a snippet right now. Anyway, let's jump right into the tutorial. They want smoke with us. For these kind of like TikTok hood trap bangers, you want really fast BPMs. That being said, let's do 190, super cracked out tempo, but this is kind of what you need. Anyway, so we got our tempo, and I'm just gonna grab a piano one shot from my Me and Me kit, which you guys want. Link is down below. Preach, boys, preach. Let's get a piano one shot. Let's get this. You kind of want to pick like corny sounds, you know. For our scale, let's do D. Let's do D minor. We're just gonna go 2 notes up. We're gonna start right here, and let's just paste this through. And now let's make a minor 9 chord, which is basically just a minor 7 with an extra note on top. 2 up from here, 2 up from here, and 2 up from here. So now we have a minor 9 chord. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this right here, do something like this here. And I think that just goes like that. Now let's just try a different sound. I like this one. We just gotta boost it up. Now we have our melody done, so let's get started on the bounce. We're just gonna do the typical jerk bounce. First, we gotta get a Z snare, which is something like this. Let's just add that in there, just sauce it up, you know what I mean? Alright, now we need a clap. Let's get an 808. Let's just copy our snare pattern. If you guys are trying to make a beat like No Show, you would stop right here and arrange it. But just because I want to like add some like my own twist to it and add some like other stuff to it, I'm just gonna keep going. Let's add a stomp. I'm gonna add this stomp I made, which is crazy. It's like a SpongeBob sound. Should add all these sounds to the mixer, and I think I'm gonna add another melody. And let's add all our drums to the mixer. I'm feeling like adding a lead. We're gonna take these stutters out. I'll add some reverb to our keys. I like how that's sounding with this lead. And now I'm gonna arrange it and sprinkle some little vocal sounds in there, you know what I mean? Vocal chants or phrases, something like that. And with these kind of beats, you really don't want to make it like perfect, you know what I mean? Like you want to keep the mix kind of rough, just like really distorted. This isn't like mainstream music. We'll just kind of chop this lead a little bit. You know what? We're gonna take the stomp out. All right, boys, so we have it arranged. We got this thing bopping. Now I'm just gonna add little like vocal phrases in between just to make it sound like TikTok and kind of like ghetto. I'm gonna go to this new kit I'm working on, which I'm adding a bunch of like vocal phrases to it.
House music.
Charlie secure. This is a Are you sure? Alpha secure.
We're going deep.
I like this Maybach music. Sweet. This Maybach music.
Let's crank this 808 up. It's just low boost area.
Sweet. I like this Maybach music.
Super crank. You know what I'm saying? Just super raw, super banging, just super clipped, you know, just clip to the max, you know what I mean? You can't even clip it anymore.
Sweet. I like this Maybach music.
Let's add a crash. All right, guys, so this is the final beat right here.
Sweet. I like this Maybach music.
I wish I could hit that like sturdy dance, but I got no room to do it. Anyway, guys, so that's a wrap. This is probably like a quick video, but these beats are super simple. It's pretty much just like one chord, and then you pretty much just like space out the notes to create a rhythm, and then you just add in the jerk bounce, add a super boosted 808, just crank it to the max. Yeah, just keep it rough, you know what I mean? Like, you don't really have to like mix it too crazy. If you guys want any of my kits, links are down below. I appreciate all you guys that do cop. My Xenology bank is out now, so all you guys that have been waiting for it, I'm going to be updating it soon with a bunch of new sounds. I'm really trying to make it like the new jazz staple Xenology bank. So yeah, I'm going to be updating it soon, and my new drum kit is on the way. Also, we're gonna have a huge sale on the kit store in a few days. Be ready for that. Sign up for our email list and join our Discord too. Beat Battle September 8th. I'm gonna be live streaming it. Some prizes for you guys. It's gonna be sick. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Comment down below Jet. I'm gonna give away a few of you guys some kits. Shout out to 444 Jet for producing this underground hood classic, you know what I'm saying? And January's legend. I appreciate you guys. Make sure to leave a like, hit that sub, 10K. Let's do it. Let's get it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.